Tired of strangers scrutinizing your Instagram profile picture a little too closely? Today, we're showing you how to take control of who sees your profile picture in detail. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a direct disable zoom button, but don't worry. There are effective workarounds to protect your profile picture privacy. This first method focuses on limiting who can see your profile in the first place. If your account is public, anyone on Instagram can zoom in on your profile picture. The easiest solution is to switch to a private account. This means only followers you approve can see your posts, stories, and your profile picture in full size. To do this, navigate to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap Settings, then tap Privacy. Here, you'll see Private Account. Toggle this switch to the on position. A pop-up might appear confirming your choice. Just confirm, and now only your followers can see your full profile picture. Another option is to simply change your profile picture. Consider using a non-portrait image, like a favorite landscape, a cartoon avatar, or even your company logo. This makes zooming less revealing. To change your profile picture, tap on your current profile picture from your profile page, then select Edit Profile Picture. You can then choose a new picture from your phone's gallery or take a new one. Keep in mind, your profile picture will still appear in smaller sizes within direct messages and comments. While you can't prevent people from seeing it there, limiting zoom capability gives you more control over the initial impression of your profile. And that's it. By adjusting your privacy settings or using a less revealing profile picture, you can enhance your Instagram privacy. Give these a try and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.